Google's keyboard app, Gboard, comes with a lot of cool features, and one of the most useful ones is the floating keyboard. With this feature, you can make your keyboard float anywhere on the screen, resize it, and move it around. It's super handy when you need more screen space while typing. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the floating keyboard on Android. Before we start, make sure you've updated your Gboard to the latest version. After doing this, open any app where you can type, for example, messages or notes. Now, tap the Gboard icon in the top left corner of your keyboard. You'll see several options, just tap on floating. That's it. As you can see, the keyboard is now floating on the screen. To move it around, use the small move icon, just tap and hold and drag it wherever you want. If you tap that same icon again, the corners of the keyboard will light up. You can then drag the corners to resize the keyboard to your liking. Once you've turned on the floating keyboard, it will stay floating the next time you use Gboard. If you ever want to go back to the normal mode, just tap and hold the move icon and drag the keyboard to the bottom of the screen. That'll disable the floating feature. Bonus tip. If you use the floating keyboard often, here's a quick trick. You can pin the floating option to the top of your keyboard for faster access. Just tap and hold the floating icon and drag it to the suggestion strip at the top. And that's it. So these are the easy steps to enable and disable the floating keyboard on Gboard. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.